If you want to learn Java coding, subscribe my channel and follow my steps. Today, I will teach you how to start Java NetBeans. Click on the New Project. Click on Java Application, then Next. Give a good name to your project. Then Finish. Right-click on Source Package, then New, then JFrameForm. Give a good name to your new class. Leave all others and then click on Finish. Boom, your project is ready now. In the next video, I will teach you how to create a simple login page. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.